अब आप इस एजुकेशन को उस माइंडसेट से अप्रोच नहीं कर सकते जिस तरह से आपने अपनी कॉलेज लाइफ लीड की है, उस तरह से आप अपनी पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन लाइफ नहीं लीड कर सकते। आपकी पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन आपका करियर बनाएगी, तो करियर को आप लाइटली नहीं ले सकते। इसीलिए हमने पहला सेशन लिया है कि व्हाट कॉर्पोरेट्स एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम यू, ताकि आपको समझ में आए कि आप किसके लिए ये पढ़ाई कर रहे हो। आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो नौकरी के लिए, आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में एंट्री लेने के लिए, आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो कि आपकी कोर्स खत्म होने के बाद प्लेसमेंट हो जाए, नहीं? तो वो तो हो जाए, तो आपको ये तो पता कि इसमें दो पार्टीज इन्वॉल्व है, एक आप हो और एक कॉर्पोरेट है। तो कॉर्पोरेट को कैसा कैंडिडेट चाहिए, कॉर्पोरेट को किस तरह से कैंडिडेट का बिहेवियर चाहिए, कॉर्पोरेट को किस तरह से कैंडिडेट का माइंडसेट चाहिए, वो आप लोगों को अंडरस्टैंड करना बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है। एंड इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट, then there is going to be a gap, and then there is going to be a problem. Clear? Yes, no?
Absolutely,
Yes.
sir. Absolutely.
Right?
Yes, sir.
And also understand, after the session I will also give you an assignment, so that assignment will be given to your mentors, and those mentors will communicate it to you for you to submit that. Okay, so after every session almost I will give you an assignment. तो आज के सेशन के बाद भी मैं आपके मेंटर्स को एक असाइनमेंट दूंगा, करेक्ट? और नेक्स्ट वीक मिलने से पहले वो मेरे पास आ जाना चाहिए थ्रू योर मेंटर्स। क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ग्रेट, एक्सीलेंट। तो अभी हम सब सेम पेज पे हैं, राइट? राइट। सो नाउ मोस्ट ऑफ यू, आई अंडरस्टैंड, most of you have come from different backgrounds. Some of you might be BTech, some of you would have done your BBA, some of you might be BCom students, some of you again might be BSc or a BCA student, right? समझ आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
तो इसका
Yes,
ये
I'm
मत
getting a point.
so इसका ये मतलब है कि जिस एजुकेशन में आप आ रहे हो, that is not a very technical education, that is a very common sense education. Clear? So it is a education which is open to any student from any background, because this is more of an education where you'll have to apply your understanding what you learn in the classroom. Clear? Right? So it is not like कि अगर मेरे को MSc करना है तो मेरे को BSc करना ही करना है, करेक्ट? ओके,
Correct.
great.
Yes, sir.
Great. Right. So, एक चीज आप अपने दिमाग से निकाल दो, जब आपकी एडमिशन हो रही होगी, आई एम श्योर काउंसलिंग में आप लोगों ने अपने, जिसने भी आपकी एडमिशन काउंसलिंग की होगी, उससे पूछा होगा, यार सब कुछ तो ठीक है, ये बताओ प्लेसमेंट्स का कैसा है, व्हाट इज द एवरेज पैकेज, व्हाट इज द हाईएस्ट पैकेज, प्लेसमेंट होता कि नहीं होता है? पूछा था कि नहीं पूछा था?
Yes, sir. I still wanna know.
Yes, sir.
Right? But understand, your institute is not your placement agency. लोग, मैंने अपने करियर में अभी तक बहुत सारे बच्चों को प्लेस किया है, बहुत सारे मतलब बहुत सारे, in thousands. Okay, so, and I have interacted with multiple people in senior roles, whether they are in the senior management role in different organizations, or whether they're CEOs. So I've interacted with a lot of them. So I have understanding of both the sides of the coin. स्टूडेंट के दिमाग में सबसे बड़ा मिसकंसेप्शन क्या होता है? स्टूडेंट के दिमाग में सबसे बड़ा मिसकंसेप्शन होता है कि मैंने MBA में या PGDM में एडमिशन ले लिया है, अब इंस्टीट्यूट की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है मेरे को नौकरी दिलाना, अब इंस्टीट्यूट की गारंटी है मेरे को नौकरी दिलाना, चाहे मैं जैसा मर्जी हूं, और इंस्टीट्यूट प्लेसमेंट एजेंसी है. सो दैट इज रॉन्ग. क्लियर? इंस्टीट्यूट इज नॉट अ प्लेसमेंट एजेंसी. इंस्टीट्यूट आपकी प्लेसमेंट को फैसिलिटेट करता है। इंस्टीट्यूट की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या है? इंस्टीट्यूट की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है आपके लिए इंटरव्यूज ऑर्गेनाइज करना, जिसको कहते हैं कैंपस इंटरव्यूज। ऑलराइट, इंस्टीट्यूट की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या है? आपको उन इंटरव्यूज के लिए डेवलप करना, जो अभी से हम करना शुरू कर दिए हैं। राइट, इंस्टीट्यूट की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या है? आपको एक्सपोजर देना, जो आई एम श्योर इंस्टीट्यूट देता है। लेकिन उसके साथ साथ आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या है? जो जो इंस्टीट्यूट आपको डिलीवर कर रहा है उसको अपने अंदर जहन में लेके आना और उससे लर्न करना। उसकी सो द वे यू आर बीइंग टॉट, यू हैव टू इम्बाइब दैट लर्निंग इन यू एंड देन अप्लाई दैट लर्निंग। अगर आप मेहनत ही नहीं करोगे तो आगे जाके कोई नौकरी भी नहीं देगा आपको। इट इज वेरी सिंपल, बिकॉज अब आप 2020 में अगर एडमिशन ले रहे हो तो 2022 में आपके साथ साथ हजारों लड़के लड़कियां पास आउट कर रहे होंगे। दे ऑल विल बी लुकिंग फॉर द सेम जॉब्स। तो आप उन लोगों से डिफरेंट कैसे हो, वो आपकी क्वालिटी बताएगी। वो क्वालिटी बताने के लिए ही आज से हम ये सेशन शुरू कर रहे हैं कि आपको अपना माइंडसेट कैसे डेवलप करना है, आपको अपनी अप्रोच कैसे चेंज करनी है। इसीलिए मैं कह रहा हूं कि दिस एजुकेशन इज डिफरेंट देन द वे यू डिड योर ग्रेजुएशन। और जिस तरह से आपने अपनी ग्रेजुएशन की है उस तरह से आप ये एजुकेशन नहीं कर सकते। ठीक है, तो ये चीज समझ आ गई कि इंस्टीट्यूट आपकी प्लेसमेंट एजेंसी नहीं है।
हाँ सर।
राइट, तो जितनी मेहनत इंस्टीट्यूट करेगा उससे डबल मेहनत आप लोगों को करनी है। राइट, बिकॉज आपके पेरेंट्स आपकी ये जो फीस भर रहे हैं, दे आर पेइंग द फीस फॉर योर ब्राइट फ्यूचर। सो आप लोगों को कईयों को लग रहा होगा यार अच्छा चलो अब तो ये जिंदगी के लास्ट की पढ़ाई के 2 साल है, ऐश करेंगे, इस 2 साल तो पूरे मस्ती करेंगे। बट देन यू विल हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड योर बैलेंस, कितनी मस्ती करनी है, कितनी पढ़ाई करनी है, कितना डेवलप करना है अपने आप को, क्योंकि ये सारा एंड ऑफ द डे कंपटीशन है आपके अपने बैचमेट्स के साथ। समझ आ गई? सो अभी क्या है इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है कि अभी जो फैक्टर्स सक्सेस के हैं इस कोर्स में जो फैक्टर्स हैं सक्सेस के, वो क्या क्या है? सबसे बड़ा फैक्टर इस कोर्स में सक्सेस का है वो हो आप, और कोई नहीं है। सबसे पहले आपको अपने आप को डेवलप करना है, अपनी सोच को बदलना है, अपने आप के अंदर वो एक कमिटमेंट लेके आनी है कि मेरे को यहां पे सक्सीड करना है, और उस सक्सेस के लिए मेरे को अपने अंदर ये चीजें जो अभी मेरा गैप है वो डेवलप करना है। सो पहला चीज है यू फैक्टर। उसके बाद में आगे की चीजें आएंगी, क्योंकि उसके बाद में ही हम आपको समझाएंगे आगे कि कॉर्पोरेट क्या एक्सपेक्ट करता है। अब मैं आपको यू फैक्टर के लिए समझाता हूं, जो आगे आके लेक्चर में भी एक पॉइंट है। ऑनेस्टली मेरे को बताओ, इंग्लिश में हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट टू राइट इन इंग्लिश और स्पीक इन इंग्लिश? अगर मैं नॉर्मल अपनी लैंग्वेज में बोलूं, जो हम आपस में कॉलेज में लोग बात करते हैं, यार इंग्लिश में तो मेरा हाथ तंग है, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू से?
Sir, it's easy to write in English, but communication skills is very less.
Great, okay, very nice, honest, very honest answer. Anybody else?
Hesitate to speak in English.
Sorry?
I also not
Hesitate to speak in English.
Okay, so you feel hesitate to speak in English, okay, and very good.
Yes, sir.
Anybody else?
I have
Great.
not fluency in English.
Excellent. So very nice. Most of you have been very honest in saying. सबसे पहले, this is one thing that you have to learn, that you have to be very honest to yourself. आपकी क्या ability है, आप में क्या डेवलप करनी है चीजें। तो लाइक आप लोगों को अभी आइडेंटिफाई हो गया है कि आपको इंग्लिश में इंप्रूवमेंट करनी है। तो अपना ये जो टाइम है अभी 4 महीने का, तो दिस टाइम यू कैन यूज टू इंप्रूव योर इंग्लिश। एमबीए में और पीजीडीएम में याद रखो, इट इज नॉट जस्ट बुकिश नॉलेज। अभी मैं आगे समझाऊंगा आपको, और ये सारी चीजें आपको कवर करेंगे आज मैं आपके कुछ फंडे क्लियर करूंगा इस एजुकेशन के बारे में, और रिलेट करूंगा कि इस एजुकेशन में आपको क्या डेवलप करना है जो कॉर्पोरेट्स एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ यू कम एज फ्रेशर्स, किसी के पास एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है पुराना जॉब का, राइट? तो वो फ्रेशर से क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, तो ये सारी चीजें जो है, और मैं समझाऊंगा इंग्लिश को भी कैसे इंप्रूव करना है, जो आप कॉर्पोरेट आपसे एक्सपेक्ट करेगा. सो लेट अस से first thing, so write down if you have paper and pen with you, okay, and if you have that paper and pen with you, so now make a note of 10 expectations, basic 10 चीजें जो एक कॉर्पोरेट आप लोगों से एक्सपेक्ट करता है. आर वी रेडी?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Great.
sir.
Yes, great. Excellent.
Sir,
Excellent.
one minute.
Excellent. So should I start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine, fine, great. So सबसे पहली चीज जो कॉर्पोरेट एक्सपेक्ट करता है, दैट इज कम्युनिकेशन, दैट यू शुड हैव गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. अब आप मेरे से पूछोगे सर ये कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स क्या होती है, राइट? आप लोग एक दूसरे से बात करते हो, यस और नो?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
राइट. अभी आप लोग किन किन से
Yes,
बात
sir.
करते हो? अभी आप लोग अपने घर में अपने फैमिली मेंबर से बात करते हो, रिलेशंस में बात करते हो, दोस्तों से बात करते हो, और स्कूल कॉलेज के टीचर से बात करते हो, और फ्रेंड से बात करते हो. यही लोग है ना जो अभी आप जिनसे बातें करते हो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes,
तो
sir.
घर में पेरेंट्स से जैसे बात करोगे वो लहजा डिफरेंट होता है, भाई बहन से जैसे बात करोगे वो भी लहजा डिफरेंट होता है, दोस्तों से जैसे बात करोगे वो भी लहजा डिफरेंट होता है. करेक्ट और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
और टीचर से जो बात करोगे वो
Yes,
भी
sir.
लहजा डिफरेंट होता है. यस.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, there is a way that you interact in the corporate, whether you are so similarly corporate के साथ communication is also different. Corporate के साथ communication you also have to understand, क्योंकि नॉर्मली हम लोग अगर आपस में भी बात करते हैं तो हम कई बार बड़े वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं. आई एम गोना डू दिस, आई एम गोना डू दैट, ऐसे वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं ना,
Yes, sir.
राइट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कॉर्पोरेट इंटरेक्शन में हम ऐसे वर्ड्स नहीं यूज कर सकते, राइट? सो कॉर्पोरेट में यू विल हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ योर रिटन कम्युनिकेशन हैज टू बी, हाउ योर स्पोकन कम्युनिकेशन हैज टू बी. आपने ईमेल्स कैसे लिखनी है, आपने रिपोर्ट राइटिंग कैसे करनी है, आपने प्रेजेंटेशंस कैसे देनी है. सो अभी मैं आपको ये ध्यान में रखना है कि आपको ये इंप्रूव करना है. ये सारी चीजें जब आप क्लासेस करने आओगे कैंपस में तब भी बड़ा फोकस आएगा इनको इंप्रूव करने के लिए. लेकिन इस पीरियड को आप कैसे यूटिलाइज कर सकते हो? इस पीरियड को आप अपनी वोकैबुलरी इंप्रूव कर सकते हो. एमबीए का सबसे बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ये भी है, पीजीडीएम एमबीए का, यू विल हैव टू आल्सो अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज हैपनिंग अराउंड यू. ओके, तो यू विल हैव टू रीड न्यूज़पेपर्स, वो एक पॉइंट आगे भी है, राइट? तो आप इंग्लिश में आपको क्या दिक्कत आती है कि यार मेरे को कई बार राइट वर्ड नहीं मिलता एट द राइट टाइम, मेरे को पता नहीं चलता कौन सा वर्ड यूज करना है. इसका ये मतलब होता है कि आपकी वोकैबुलरी कम है. करेक्ट? आपके माइंड में वो वर्ड नहीं आता है. सो इफ यू स्टार्ट रीडिंग इंग्लिश न्यूज़पेपर एवरी डे, और आप एक डायरी, अब आपको मैं कैलकुलेशन बताता हूं. आज हम कौन से महीने में बैठे हैं?
May.
May of 2020, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let's say we calculate it till May of 2022, 2 साल.
Okay.
Okay, so let's say right now you have developed a habit of reading newspaper every day. Okay, तो आप जब न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हो, so obviously now you have developed that habit, so at times you don't understand a word in a newspaper. होता है ना कई बार कि हमें न्यूज़पेपर में कोई वर्ड समझ नहीं आता मतलब क्या है उसका. करेक्ट?
हाँ सर, ऐसा होता है.
तो आपने एक रजिस्टर मेंटेन कर लिया अपने पास, और आपने हर रोज जो आपको वर्ड नहीं समझ आया तो आपने हर रोज 10 वर्ड आइडेंटिफाई किए कि मेरे को ये 10 वर्ड आज समझ नहीं आए जिनका मैं डिक्शनरी से शाम को मतलब समझूंगा. तो आपने हर रोज डेट डाल के नए नए वर्ड्स, 10 नए नए वर्ड्स आइडेंटिफाई करना शुरू कर दिया. मई 2020 से लेके मई 2022 तक अगर आपने डिसिप्लिन के साथ सिंसियरली रिलीजियसली ये रजिस्टर मेंटेन किया तो 2 साल में कितने नए वर्ड्स लर्न कर लोगे आप? तो अगर एक दिन में 10 तो एक महीने में 300।
Right, sir.
करेक्ट। एक महीने में 300 तो मतलब एक साल में 3600,
बिल्कुल सर।
Yes,
2 साल में 7200।
हाँ सर।
मैंने कहा चलो आप थोड़े दिन नहीं किया, आपने मिस कर गए, 5000 वर्ड तो यूज ने देख लोगे आप।
हाँ हाँ।
तो बाय द टाइम यू फिनिश योर एमबीए और बाय द टाइम यू फिनिश योर पीजीडीएम, वो 5000 नए वर्ड्स आपकी वोकैबुलरी कहां की कहां ले जाएंगे?
तो
Yes.
जिसका है
और अगर आपने इंग्लिश न्यूज पढ़ी है तो उसके 2 फायदे हो जाएंगे। एक तो आपको पता चलता रहेगा दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है, आपका एक अपना ओपिनियन होगा जो कॉर्पोरेट को चाहिए होता है कि भी कैन यू डिस्कस ऑन व्हाट इज हैपनिंग अराउंड द वर्ल्ड, वेदर इट इज इन इकोनॉमी और वेदर इट इज इन सोशल एनवायरनमेंट, वेदर इट इज इन पॉलिटिकल एनवायरनमेंट, यू आर अवेयर एंड यू कैन टॉक। और जब आपके पास नए वर्ड्स हैं तो यू विल नॉट फाइंड डिफिकल्टी इन गेटिंग न्यू वर्ड्स टू योर कॉन्वर्सेशन। तो आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल भी बढ़ जाएगा और आपकी कम्युनिकेशन इंप्रूव हो जाएगी। यस नो?
Obviously, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो इसके लिए अब आपको क्या चाहिए? आपकी मेहनत चाहिए। इंस्टीट्यूट तो आपको एक प्रोविजन दे रहा है, प्लेटफॉर्म दे रहा है, लेकिन अगर आप अगर डिसिप्लिन के साथ मेहनत नहीं करोगे तो आपकी कम्युनिकेशन इंप्रूव नहीं हो पाएगी ना।
Yes,
बिल्कुल
sir.
सर।
गेटिंग माई पॉइंट और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
और अगर मैं इंटरव्यूअर हूं आपका, देखो आपको सबसे बड़ा फायदा क्या है, कॉलेज में ऐसा कोई इंटरेक्शन नहीं हुआ ना आपसे। मैं तो आउटसाइड थर्ड पर्सन हूं, मैं तो आपके कॉलेज का नहीं हूं। आई एम अ कॉर्पोरेट ट्रेनर, आई हैव लॉट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट्स इन कॉर्पोरेट्स। सो यू सी यू आर ऑलरेडी बीइंग जज्ड बाय अ थर्ड पर्सन। और आपके इंटरेक्शन में अगर मेरे को कोई भी अच्छा लगा कि यार ही इज दिस जेंटलमैन और दिस लेडी इज वेरी सिंसियर, हार्ड वर्किंग, ऑनेस्ट, वेरी कमिटेड टू हर वर्क, वेरी नाइस एटीट्यूड, तो हो सकता है 2 साल बाद मैं भी आपको बोल दूं कि यार वहां पे चले जाओ, इंटरव्यू के लिए नौकरी है वहां पे, मैंने बात कर ली है। पॉसिबल और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Obviously.
yes sir
So you are understanding how this education is helping you change your career, how this education is helping you improve yourself. Clear? So this is why you have to take this education seriously. अगर आप ये ये चीज अगर 2 साल तक करोगे तो एटलीस्ट यू विल इंप्रूव योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, यू विल बी वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट इन स्पीकिंग। और उसको अगर मैं दूसरे कॉन्टेक्स्ट में आपको समझाऊं तो लेट्स से मई 2022 में बैठे हैं और मैं आपका इंटरव्यू ले रहा हूं और आपने ये मेहनत नहीं करी, राइट? तो मैंने आपके इंटरव्यू रिज्यूमे दे के पूछा दैट डू यू वर्क हार्ड, तो आप लोग क्या जवाब दोगे?
Online.
आप लोग क्या जवाब दोगे अगर मैं पूछूं कि डू यू वर्क हार्ड, तो आप लोग क्या जवाब दोगे?
Yes, we will.
या यू वर्क हार्ड, राइट? लेकिन
Yes.
उस इंटरव्यू में आप मेरे से इंग्लिश में ठीक तरह से बात नहीं कर पा रहे हो, आप इंग्लिश में कॉन्फिडेंटली बात नहीं कर पा रहे हो, तो मैं आपसे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये पूछ लूंगा कि आपको अगर पता था कि आपकी इंग्लिश ठीक नहीं है, आपकी इंग्लिश इज नॉट वेरी गुड, व्हाई हैव यू नॉट वर्कड हार्ड इन इंप्रूविंग योर इंग्लिश? तो आप गलत हो गए ना,
Yes, sir.
राइट?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So,
sir.
so you have to start working hard sincerely, and if you do this, you can show him an example that I identified myself that I am not very good at English, and in these 2 years, this is how I have worked hard to improve my English. तो वो बोलेगा यार ये मेहनती बच्चा है, इसको मैं अपने कंपनी में लूंगा। So you understand how these things matter. तो सबसे पहले कम्युनिकेशन देखते हैं, वो समझ आ गई? वेदर इट इज रिटन, वेदर इट इज स्पोकन, प्रेजेंटेशंस, और वो आपको अभी से शुरू करनी है। अंडरस्टूड और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
yes
sir.
sir understood.
Yes, sir.
Great.
Yes, sir.
अब आता है सेकंड पॉइंट। सेकंड पॉइंट इज प्रोफेशनलिज्म। अब आपको पता है प्रोफेशनलिज्म, मेरे को कोई बताएगा मतलब क्या है प्रोफेशनलिज्म का?
being professional
मतलब क्या हुआ?
सर कहीं भी जाना, कहीं भी मतलब किसी भी जगह पे मतलब प्रोफेशनल होना। एक प्रोफेशनल एटीट्यूड होना।
फील्ड में एक्सपर्ट हो
तो मतलब करेक्ट, तो एटीट्यूड एटीट्यूड होना, बिहेवियर ठीक होना, ठीक तरह से अपने आप को
If somebody is even putting their opinion and that is something which the other person is not agreed, then
हाँ,
also speaking it in a manner wherein they feel like it's not a contradiction.
fair enough, fair enough, Pratibha, very nice. So
Sir, the
so what,
things which makes us different from the normal people, that is professionalism.
excellent. So you have to develop that professionalism. So I'll make you understand. Anything, see, professionalism is more of intangible. It is what you project. Okay, you all are management professionals, going to be management professionals right now, but professionalism is what you project to do your job. So like for example, how do you project your confidence, how do you project your commitment, how do you project your preparedness, how do you project your dressing sense, how do you project your um, responsibility, ownership. So whatever you do, so the way you do, the manner in which you do, the etiquettes with which you do, this is all professionalism. आपको एक मतलब से समझाता हूं. कभी पेट दर्द हुई है आपके?
यस सर।
राइट, तो पेट दर्द होती है तो आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हो,
जी।
करेक्ट. सो डॉक्टर की क्लिनिक में जब आप एंटर करते हो तो क्या क्या देखते हो?
सर डॉक्टर को
सब कुछ मेरे को बताओ, छोटी से छोटी चीज क्या क्या देखते हो?
सर इक्विपमेंट जो भी होती है वहाँ पे,
ओके,
टेबल चेयर
एक्सीलेंट. इक्विपमेंट, व्हाट एल्स?
एंड
मेडिसिन
Come on, come on.
Professionalism of the doctor, his personalities, their achievement which they have got.
Okay, excellent. What else?
And the service providing there, the neat and cleanness of that chamber in which
Okay,
they are seated.
excellent, excellent, excellent. And then you see fellow patients also.
Yes, they are outside of the chamber. That's
Correct,
after
correct.
entering
But then-
that.
Yeah.
Before entering, we can see that how number of patients are going there,
Correct,
what
correct,
the patient
correct. And then you
views
see,
about the doctor, and when we
Excellent.
enter that, we have to see that what the character with what is his communication skill, what his attitude toward the patients, and how's the cleanness and safety measures taken about their what
great.
their
So
achievement
if everything is
is
all
all.
right, you get confidence in your mind that I have come at the right place. Yes,
Yes.
Yes,
right.
sir.
So alternatively, if you go and visit a clinic and the doctor is there in yellow t-shirt, Bermudas, and there is a beer bottle on his table, but he might be very intelligent, you don't know. But then, do you get confidence in the first instance when you see all that?
नो सर।
No, sir.
No, right? But that is the reason. So that is professionalism, where he has not presented himself well, where he will give confidence. So he's not dressed up accordingly. He's not projected his clinic accordingly, right? So professionalism is what you show to the outside world, the manner of how you do your job. Clear? So how you do your job is related to all that I had said earlier: commitment, confidence, preparedness, dressing sense, quality, ownership, right? So have you understood now professionalism?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
So you need to show this professionalism now in your daily conduct. So now this daily conduct is right now in terms of how we do these classes online. Your daily conduct will be once you come into the college and how you behave now in the college, how sincerely you do your, so because how sincerely you project yourself in your studies in the college. So there are 2 points that I've discussed right now: communication and professionalism. Okay, so have you understood these 2 points?
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
Great.
Yes, sir.
So now the third point is willingness to learn and adapt. Okay. Now what do you mean by willingness? What do you mean by willingness to learn and adapt?
It means even though if the person is having some incomplete knowledge regarding the job, still
Hmm?
he or she is, is like trying enough to do their best and to learn to learn whatever is required for the job.
Right. So now you understand. So if I were to make you explain, like when I started, I said that the way you have approached this college education that you did is now not the manner in which you have to approach your PGDM. So it is a new environment. So when it is a new environment, you have to learn to adapt to this new environment,
Yes, sir.
right? And when you have to learn to adapt to this new environment, you have to be willing to learn to adapt to this environment.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because if you are not willing to learn and you are not willing to learn to adapt to this new environment, end of the day नुकसान किसको होगा? आप ही को होगा ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So please understand the next point, that you have to learn to be one, come across as somebody who is willing to learn, and second, who is willing to adapt. Companies भी यही देखती हैं कि अगर मैं इनको हायर करूं, you might have a lot of bookish understanding, you might have learned a lot of books, but are you really willing to learn what I have to give you, the practical understanding of the job to be done, or willing to understand the new challenges that are going to come to you and how to face them? If you're not willing to learn, then I'm not going to probably have any advantage of you hiring. I'll hire somebody else. Clear? और वो प्रिपरेशन
Definitely,
आपको
sir.
कोर्स में अभी से आनी शुरू हो जाएगी. So third thing that you need to develop is willingness to learn and adapt. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now fourth. Fourth is leadership qualities. That means the companies are wanting to understand, जब वो हायर करती हैं तो वो हायर करती हैं कि यार this candidate whom I'm hiring should stay with me for years and should grow with me, and I should be able to grow him into a position where I give responsibility and leadership of teams to him. तो वो आइडेंटिफाई करना चाहती हैं कि आर यू दैट मटेरियल दैट यू हैव लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज और नॉट. और वो आप कैसे प्रोजेक्ट करोगे? वो प्रोजेक्ट करोगे व्हेन यू आर इन योर कॉलेज and you will be given a lot of opportunities to organize a lot of things, functions, seminars, lectures, different activities. Now how you participate in those opportunities, how you take advantage of those opportunities, how you then show yourself to be volunteering to conduct those opportunities, that you will be able to put in your resume that these are the things that I did and I showed my leadership quality, and that is how I learned leadership quality. So you can use those examples. So you need to be very clear that end of the day, company, any corporate which hires you has to understand, can I groom this person to be a leader in my organization 5 साल बाद, 6 साल बाद, 7 साल बाद, right? So वो कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगी? आपके पुराने एक्सपीरियंस से. So some of you might be head girls in your school, some of you might be head boys in your school, so you already have that quality, so you'll have to hone it, you'll have to take it forward now in your this education, the leadership quality. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right? Then the fifth part is that you should be willing to work in teams. You understand? Organization mein we all work in teams, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And because there is a common objective that needs to be achieved, and you have people working together to meet those objectives, right? So you have to learn to be able to work in teams. तो उन टीम्स के काम करने के लिए क्या चाहिए होता है? आपको एक दूसरे को the way you handle each other, the way you build your interpersonal skills. अगर आपको किसी का ओपिनियन ठीक नहीं लग रहा है, आपको उसको कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट भी कैसे करना है, लड़ाई नहीं करनी है, राइट? दीज आर द थिंग्स. बिकॉज कॉलेज में अभी तक आपने कैसे पढ़ाई की है? इंडिविजुअली पढ़ाई की है. अपने अपने मतलब से पढ़ाई की है? करेक्ट। आपने कोई टीम्स में बैठ के पढ़ाई नहीं की ना कॉलेज में?
No, sir.
No, sir.
आप क्लास में जाते थे, सब्जेक्ट पढ़ते थे, अपने सब्जेक्ट की तैयारी करते थे और आपने एग्जाम्स दिए, करेक्ट? लेकिन कॉलेज
Yes, sir.
अभी जाके आपको इस एजुकेशन में यू विल हैव टू वर्क विद योर क्लासमेट्स इन टीम्स टू डू प्रोजेक्ट्स, बिकॉज दैट इज हाउ यू विल लर्न टू वर्क इन टीम्स व्हेन यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग इन अ कॉर्पोरेट. सो यू हैव टू लर्न दैट, राइट? सो यू हैव टू बी, so this is again adapting to a new environment. So अभी से ही आपको तैयार होना पड़ेगा. सोच लो दिमाग में कि मेरे को एक दूसरे के साथ भी काम करना है. I'll have to work with each other, so I'll have to respect each other. Clear? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great. Very
Yes,
nice.
sir.
Very nice. So I have discussed
Yes, sir.
5 points
Yes,
with
sir.
you till now, right? First was communication. Second was professionalism. Third was willingness to learn and adapt. Fourth was leadership qualities. Fifth was working in teams. Sixth is clarity of thought. Clarity of thought का क्या मतलब है?
Whatever we thought, whatever we have opinion, we should communicate to others to learn them so that they can easily understand what we are saying.
Great. That is Gautam, right?
Yes, sir.
ग्रेट, एक्सीलेंट. सो क्लैरिटी ऑफ थॉट इज कि आपके मन में या आपने अपना ओपिनियन जब भी किसी को देना है, यू शुड बी वेरी क्लियर, प्रिसाइज एंड पुट दैट पॉइंट फॉरवर्ड. वो तब आता है जब आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे कम्युनिकेशन की. ऑलराइट. और अभी जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आपने ईमेल लिखनी है. अब ईमेल भी आपको कोई टॉपिक है लिखने के लिए. अब आप उसमें क्या लिखोगे, कैसे शुरू करना है, बॉडी कैसे करनी है, एंड कैसे करना है, वो चीजें स्ट्रक्चर करनी है आपको, और वो हम आपको सिखाएंगे कॉलेज में आके, राइट? बट यू इतना समझ लो कि नाउ यू हैव टू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग कि मैंने किसी के साथ कम्युनिकेट कैसे करना है ताकि उसको समझ भी आ जाए और इफेक्टिव भी हो. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हम बोलना कुछ चाहते हैं लेकिन दूसरे इंसान को समझ कुछ और आता है. करेक्ट और नॉट? So that means
Yes.
that we've not been able. So that means that we've not been able to
Right, sir.
express ourselves clearly. Clear. So that you need to understand and develop that clarity of thought. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Only, sir.
So now comes the 7th part, and 7th part is you should be strong in your subject knowledge. Now you are doing PGDM or MBA,
Yes, sir.
correct? अब always remember there are 2 types of skills. The first skill is called hard skill. The second type is called soft skill. Your growth in organization, your opportunity to get into an organization is your balance between the hard skill and the soft skill. अब हार्ड स्किल क्या है, कोई बताएगा मेरे को?
So subject knowledge.
Okay, excellent. Who was this? Sushmita, right?
Yes, sir.
Sushmita, was that you?
Yes, sir.
Great. So hard skill is subject knowledge. Very nice. So what is subject knowledge? The subjects that you're going to study in your MBA or PGDM. So for example, let's say you're very good at communication. There can be 2 types of people, okay? So let's say you are very good at communication. You are very confident and you've dressed well. You've dressed also properly. But your subject knowledge is nil. Is that going to help you?
No,
No, sir.
sir.
Right. Alternatively, let's say your subject knowledge is excellent, but you can't speak. You can't speak with confidence. You can't probably engage people in conversation. Your English is bad. Is that going to help you?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right? So, with all of what we have discussed so far, another thing that you need to understand is that you need to also be very careful and focused on your subject to learn that subject, to learn the practical aspect of that subject. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right? So what is hard skill? Hard skill is your subject, your understanding, because आपकी qualification. See, interviews के लिए क्या मतलब होता है? आपकी क्वालिफिकेशन और आपकी सब्जेक्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग, आपका नॉलेज is going to help you get
skills.
is going to help you get that foot in the door. आपको इंटरव्यू के दरवाजे तक ले आएगा और आपका एक पैर अंदर कर देगा. लेकिन नौकरी कौन दिलाएगा? नौकरी दिलाएगा जब आप उसको कैसे अपनी नॉलेज को कम्युनिकेट करते हो, किस कॉन्फिडेंस से करते हो, किस पर्सनालिटी से करते हो, कैसे अपना इमेज प्रोजेक्ट करते हो, वो सारा फिर वो सॉफ्ट स्किल आ जाता है. सो इट इज अ बैलेंस बिटवीन हार्ड स्किल एंड सॉफ्ट स्किल. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great. So these are the 7 points that I have discussed. So there are 3 more
Yes,
that
sir.
we will discuss. Okay. So eighth point. Eighth point is that you have to go beyond your academics. इसका क्या मतलब है?
Apart from studies, sir.
Right? Apart from studies.
Social knowledge about the global what is happening.
Great.
Also, in the case of our studies, what's the company which is in our core branch is going to develop a new technique. These all should be known so that we
All
can
the current happenings.
implement this. in
So
the
what
next.
does, so exactly, very nice. So what this means is that आपकी जो knowledge होनी चाहिए वो knowledge आपके books के बाहर भी होनी चाहिए. तो मैंने कितनी बार देखा है लोगों को, they don't read. They don't have that habit of reading newspaper. They don't have habit of reading business magazines. They don't have habit of reading business books. जो आप लोगों को अभी मौका है 4 महीने जब तक आपकी क्लासेस नहीं शुरू होती, you engage yourself in reading. इसका मैंने जैसे पहले भी बताया, इसके 2-3 फायदे होने वाले हैं आपको. एक आपकी इंग्लिश इंप्रूव होगी, एक आपकी वोकैबुलरी इंप्रूव होगी, एक आपकी नॉलेज इंप्रूव होगी, एक आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग इंप्रूव होगी, और ये सारी चीजें फिर आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ाएंगी कम्युनिकेशन में. एंड देन जितना भी आपने पढ़ा होगा, यू कैन ड्रॉ दैट एग्जांपल्स इनटू योर कॉन्वर्सेशन. आप लोग इंग्लिश न्यूज चैनल वॉच करते हो कि हिंदी न्यूज चैनल वॉच करते हो?
Both, sir.
English, sir.
So if you're watching English, well and good. If you're not watching English, I would advise you to start watching English news channel, क्योंकि उससे क्या फायदा होगा, आपको प्रोनाउंसिएशन पता चलेगी कि वर्ड्स को प्रोनाउंस कैसे करते हैं, राइट? सो you will get an understanding of pronunciation for each word, and that is what will help you in engaging in a conversation also when you use the right word with the right pronunciation. Correct?
Correct, sir.
Right. And obviously, so you should develop some interest. And so this point is extremely important in terms of you need to have that knowledge of outside your books. So knowledge of political environment, knowledge of social environment, knowledge of economic environment, knowledge of technological environment. Clear?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
तो वो जैसे जैसे आप बुक्स पढ़ोगे वैसे वैसे आपको वो समझ आता जाएगा, राइट? एंड यू शुड स्टार्ट रीडिंग बुक्स. सो नाउ कम्स 9th पॉइंट, ह्यूमिलिटी. इसका क्या मतलब है? हम्बलनेस, इसका क्या मतलब है?
Respect towards others, to our junior also
और
in the companies.
Like you should
To be friendly with others.
You
Good
should be
nature and
approachable.
good attitude.
so what is humble
Kind.
attitude?
Kind-hearted.
Humanity. Humanity.
नहीं.
One should be approachable.
So
Humble,
to have a listening
humbleness
capacity.
is correct. Listening capacity, humbleness is kindness, humble is politeness, humble is
Not thinking that you are better than important than other
right,
people,
not
proud.
develop that arrogance. Correct. So I'll give you an example. Do you understand cricket? Do you watch cricket?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So in Indian cricket, there have been two players. Sachin Tendulkar and Vinod Kambli. Have you heard their
Yes,
names?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So both of them have been very good cricketers, correct?
yes,
In
sir.
fact, when Vinod Kambli started his career, he started with a lot of success uh, with respect to Tendulkar. Tendulkar did not start with as big a success as Vinod Kambli started his cricket career, correct? But when Vinod Kambli started with a lot of success, obviously he got a lot of importance. Obviously he got a lot of recognition. There was a lot of news around him, and he got a lot of focus. So somehow he could not handle that properly, or he could not get used to that properly. He could not remain humble. That he became a little arrogant, and he probably got little. There was little lack of discipline in his approach, and he always had a problem facing bouncers. So he did not also adapt and learn the technique to face those and improve his ability to play bouncers. So what happened? Over a period of time, Vinod Kambli got lost from the Indian cricket scene, and Tendulkar stayed there for 10-15 years. Despite his successes, he was always humble. He was always approachable. He was always polite. He was always willing to learn. You understand the approach? Difference in approach?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
So when you do your education and when you come to the institute and when you initially achieve success, never be arrogant about your success. Never let that success go to your head. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So have you understood this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Great.
sir.
Great. And the last is, so let's say, for example, you have covered all these points with discipline, with commitment, with conviction. Diligently, you have focused on these points. So you've improved your commitment, you've improved your professionalism. There is a clarity of thought that you have. You have always been willing to learn and adapt. You've shown leadership qualities. You enjoy working in teams. You've improved your subject knowledge, and you are humble, and you have understanding and knowledge outside your books also. So what is the last point now that the corporate will like about you? He will like you as a candidate.
Dedication towards the work.
Evaluation.
So yeah, so he will like you as a candidate. Right.
Dedication
So-
towards the work.
Correct. Dedication. So end of the day, your corporate is, you have to develop your likability quotient. So corporate is liking you as a candidate. So what is the last point? Likability. Likability is that I like working with this person, or I like him to be there with my organization. So जब ये सारी चीजें होंगी, so you'll automatically be liked by people, right?
Absolutely, sir.
Right. So who are the people who are liked by other people? People who are genuine, people who are honest, people who are sincere. These are the people who are liked by other people. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great. So now I'm going a recap of 10 points that we have just discussed of what corporates expect from you. So the corporates expect from you good communication skills. The corporates expect from you professionalism. The corporates expect from you good clarity of thought. The corporates expect from you that how willing are you to learn and adapt. The corporates expect from you leadership qualities. They also expect from you whether you will be working in teams, you will be able to work in teams. How good is your subject knowledge? How good is your knowledge outside your subject? Whether you are humble, whether you have humility, and how likable you are. Right? These are the 10 points you should start developing in yourself. These are the 10 points you should think about in yourself so that you are liked and you get that job. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
अब
sir.
मेरे को
Absolutely
आपके
clear, sir.
बारे में कैसे पता चलेगा? So now end of this session, I will give an activity to your mentors, right? And you will have to write in that activity and submit to your mentors. So what you submit and what you write in that will let me know how much of all these 10 points are you projecting right now. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear or not? So have you do you realize
Yes, sir.
do you realize that the way you approach your education, this education is changed completely right now, and you have to learn to adapt to this new style of education. Do you realize that?
Yes, sir.
Right. So your change has already started, my dear. And remember one thing, it is only the change that is constant, and it is going to be like that in your entire life. Clear? Understood? So if I were to make a distinction between, before I go further, if I were to make a distinction between how your college life was and how your professional life now is going to be. By professional life, I mean, because this is a professional education that you're doing, right?
Yes,
Correct?
sir.
Right.
Yes,
So if it is a professional education that you are pursuing, so it is a professional life now that you will be leading. Okay. So how this life is going to be different from your college life. So there are 4 things that I would say to you which will encapsulate everything. First is, in college life you never bothered how do I look. जो भी दिल किया पहन लिया, क्लास में चले गए, दोस्तों के साथ चले गए, कॉलेज चले गए. Correct? Now here you need to be very careful in terms of how do I look. I'll give you an example. Let's say today is Monday, right? So let's say Wednesday you are coming to college and आप एक गंदी सी टी-शर्ट पहन के आ गए, you are not shaved properly, and then the moment you have entered college, you have attended the first classroom, your teacher calls you and tells you that in the next half an hour there is a general manager of such and such organization coming. So you will have to be with him, escort him in the college, and be with him throughout the time that he is in college. So have you understood now what is going to be the problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? Because something that you did not anticipate, was not in your control, and because you approached this life as your college life, kuch bhi pehen ke aage, and you understood now how impactful it is going to be now if you go and present yourself in the manner that you are to him. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So you need to be always presentable. That is one rule of thumb that you need to understand. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second thing is, what do I say? How do you talk? How do you show your disagreement? एक disagreement होती है मुंह फट, हम जिसको बोलते हैं, कुछ भी दिल में आया, दिमाग में आया, बोल दिया, जैसे भी आया बोल दिया. But now you need to really be watchful. आप क्या बोलते हो और कैसे बोलते हो. समझ आई? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Right. And fourth thing is, how well do I listen? Okay. And that is very important. How well do I listen is going to impact your relationship with people also. Okay. So have you understood these things?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Great. So now I'm going to go forward and I'm going to just try and relate it with something which is more, you will understand it from a nature's perspective also. Clear? And let me try to give you an understanding of that as well. Okay. Okay, tell me now, what do you understand by the word struggle?
Hard work. Your dedication.
Facing challenges.
Your voice is breaking.
Your dedication towards
One at a time. Your voice.
Also, struggle is a success of key.
your dedication towards a particular goal.
I am not able
The
to.
things which we face to.
Let's talk one by one. Okay, let me ask Kunal Agarwal. You start. Let me start with Kunal Agarwal. Shipra, can you mute please? Yeah, Kunal, start.
Struggle means yes.
Okay, nice. Facing challenges. Shipra, what about you? Okay, Kunal, can you mute please? Shipra, now tell me.
Sir, go for our dream.
Yeah, Shipra, continue. Tell me.
Sir, may I?
Work for our dream that we जब तक हमें जो चाहते हैं वो मिल ना जाए मतलब जो फेस हम लोग प्रॉब्लम करेंगे.
Okay, okay.
Hello.
Who next?
Struggle means
Yeah, continue.
Your dedication towards a particular goal.
Okay, your dedication towards a particular goal. All right. What else?
Struggle means to try very hard to achieve or deal with something that is difficult or that causes problem to a particular person.
Okay. So something which is very difficult, something which is seemingly very difficult, but you persist, you struggle to achieve that, right?
Exactly.
Excellent. Anybody else?
To move forward with great effort and positive mindset.
अंकित दोबारा से बोलो.
To move forward with great efforts and positive mindset. मतलब मेरा mindset positive होना चाहिए किसी का भी.
अच्छा, आपका माइंडसेट क्या? दोबारा से सुनाई नहीं दिया ठीक तरह से. थोड़ा आराम से बोलो.
So move forward to with everyone to great efforts and a positive mindset.
अच्छा, ठीक है. Okay, to move forward with a positive mindset. Okay, great.
Working hard until you get
Who else would want to try?
working hard until you get your predetermined goal.
Excellent. Working hard till you achieve your goal. Excellent. Right. So let us now mute. Very nice. All of you mute now, please. You're there very right to achieve something till the time you have not achieved your goal, to continue doing, persisting with something, move forward with a positive mindset, face challenges. Why did I use the word struggle is that your next 2 years are going to be struggle for you. Okay. And because your goal is to equip yourself with all the 10 points, expectations, you have to live up to you have to measure up to that expectations. So obviously you'll have to develop a lot of things in yourself. There's going to be pressures from all angles. All right. So it is going to be a everyday struggle. So if you are there in your mind right now, कि मेरे को यहाँ पे पहुंचना है और मेरे को ये struggle करनी है अभी, and this is what I have to achieve, this is what I have to persist. This is how your life is going to be for the next 2 years. Okay, मैं आपको एक ईगल का एग्जांपल देता हूं. ईगल की एज कितनी होती है? Can anybody tell me what is the age of an eagle?
Near about 25 to 30 years.
20 to 25 years.
Okay. Anybody else?
Sir,
70 years.
78. Sir, it can live up
70
to
years.
60 years.
Okay, great. Excellent. So who said 70 years? Gauri, I said,
Sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Great. So eagle lives up to 70 years, right? बट व्हेन इट रीचेस 30 years, उसकी बीक कर्व्ड हो जाती है, क्लॉज भी कर्व्ड हो जाते हैं, वो पकड़ नहीं पाती, फेदर्स बड़े हैवी हो जाते हैं. तो उस टाइम पे द ईगल ट्राइज टू मेक अ डिसीजन that should it die or should it reinvent itself, right? So if the eagle decides to die, can you help eagle?
No.
No, sir.
Correct. If it decides to die, you can't help eagle, right? But if it decides to live, obviously you will support. So what does eagle do? When it decides to live, it goes to a mountain top. और एक पत्थर पे वो पहले अपनी बीक तोड़ती है एंड वेट करती है नई बीक आने में. फिर उससे क्लॉज निकालती है एंड वेट करती है नए क्लॉज आने में. एंड देन इट प्लक्स द फेदर्स एंड वेट्स फॉर द न्यू फेदर्स टू कम. ये सारा री इन्वेंशन का प्रोसेस जो है, दिस प्रोसेस गोज ऑन फॉर 6 months ऑलमोस्ट. But after 6 months, the eagle with this new reinvention can live another 40 years. So what, इसका आप लोगों के साथ कैसे रिलेशन है? कॉलेज लाइफ तक जो आपने, वो आपके 30 साल थे ईगल की तरह. अगर आपने डिसाइड कर लिया कि मेरे को अगले 2 साल कुछ नहीं करना, कॉलेज जैसे मैंने कॉलेज लाइफ अटेंड की वैसे ही मैं ये लाइफ अटेंड करूंगा और मेरे को कुछ नहीं करना और मैंने कोई मेहनत नहीं करनी, इंस्टीट्यूट की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, इंस्टीट्यूट की गारंटी है मेरे को नौकरी देना, तो यू आर लाइक दैट ईगल हु इज विलिंग टू डाई, बिकॉज यू विल नॉट गेट द राइट जॉब, यू विल नॉट डेवलप योर पोटेंशियल, और आप पोटेंशियल से कहीं नीचे आपको कोई नौकरी मिलेगी जो आपको दूसरी तरफ से अच्छी नौकरी मिल सकती थी हैड यू डेवलप. सो इन दीज 2 years, इफ यू लाइक द ईगल have thought of developing yourself, reinventing yourself, तो ये सोच लो ये 2 साल आपके reinvention के हैं. समझ आई कि नहीं आई?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, absolutely.
राइट. उस reinvention में हमने शुरू किया है कि आपने जहां जाना है, दैट इज अ कॉर्पोरेट, उस कॉर्पोरेट की आपके साथ से क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है वो हमने डिस्कस कर ली. अब आपको ये एक्सपेक्टेशंस अपने पर्सनालिटी में लेके आनी है. वो पर्सनालिटी में लेके आना इज योर रीइन्वेंशन. दैट रीइन्वेंशन यू विल डू इन 2 years starting today. So that is a continuous job like that eagle. So this reinvention is going to help you grow, live happily another 30-40 years of your career, corporate life, working life. अभी आप लोगों की कितनी उम्र है?
22.
21 साल होगी मेरे ख्याल में एवरेज.
22.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
राइट.
Yes, sir.
तो अगर मैं मोटा देखूं तो नेक्स्ट 45 years तक की और वर्किंग लाइफ है, 70 साल तक काम करोगे?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Between 65 to 70 years is what you want to work, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So next 45 years. So next 45 years आप अपने कैसे जिंदगी के गुजारना चाहते हो is dependent on these 2 years. How effectively you are going to reinvent in these 2 years. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. एक छोटी सी गेम खेलें, एक्टिविटी करें.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
राइट. मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा, आपको आंसर देना है. राइट.
ठीक है.
ओके. क्लियर और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
When I say mute, then everybody should mute. Then nobody should have their mics on. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great. Should we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Narendra
Mr.
Modi.
Narendra Modi.
Mr. Narendra Modi.
Narendra Modi.
Narendra Modi.
Mute. Excellent. Very nice. Who is Vice President of India?
Venkaiah Naidu.
Venkaiah Naidu.
Excellent. जो पहले रिस्पॉन्स था मेरे पास 10 लोग नरेंद्र मोदी, वो अब एक में बच गया. Alright. Who is Commerce Minister of India?
Nirmala Sitaraman.
Nirmala Sitaraman.
जिन्होंने भी बोला निर्मला सीतारमन, रॉन्ग आंसर.
Wrong है.
Nirmala Sitharaman is the finance minister.
Finance Minister.
So I asked, who is the Commerce Minister?
Forgetting his name.
Piyush Goyal.
Piyush Goyal.
चलो
पीयूष गोयल.
देर आए दुरुस्त आए, नेट भी खुल रहा होगा साथ में, बट वॉट एवर. म्यूट
Piyush Goyal is the
म्यूट
railway
म्यूट. राम गोपाल म्यूट. Excellent. Who is Governor of RBI?
शक्तिकांत दास.
Shaktikant Das.
Shaktikant Das.
Shaktikant Das.
Excellent. Mute. Excellent. Mute. Chairman of TRAI. TRAI.
I don't know.
Okay.
Ram Charan.
राम सेवक शर्मा.
Mute. It has to be immediate answer.
Ram Sevak Sharma.
Mute. Immediate answer, boss. Who is Vice President of United States of America?
So Mike Pence.
Mike Pence.
Okay, great. I need immediate
Mike
answer.
Pence.
If you are taking 10 seconds also, I will not take that answer. Okay. Mute. Very nice. Mute. Who's founder of Yahoo?
So Jerry Yang.
Okay. Great. Mute. Who's chairman of Mahindra and Mahindra Group?
Anand Gopal Mahindra.
Anand Gopal Mahindra.
Okay, who's chairman of HDFC Bank?
Aditya Puri.
Aditya Puri CEO. What is full form of HSBC? All right, great. Let's talk now. Why was I asking you these questions?
To get a general knowledge of us.
No, our general awareness.
Outside knowledge.
Okay. Were they very difficult questions?
No, sir.
Sir.
No, sir.
So
No,
if
sir.
you have been reading, let's say for example, if you have been reading newspapers on a daily basis, you would know these questions.
Yes, sir. Obviously.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you understand the importance of reading outside your books, because tomorrow you might be interacting with anybody and they ask you, okay, fine, yeah, they ask you any question related to current affairs or anything, and if you don't know these simple questions, you send a wrong impression.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Getting the point,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So the important point that you need to understand right now is that, one, See, what am I trying to, time and again, I am trying to bring you all to one thought process. Can you tell me what is that thought process?
The way how we thought something.
The way how we think.
No, I am trying to bring you to one thought process. What is that thought process?
How we are living our lives now, and how to change us.
Correct. Exactly. Now, that thought process is what you have to do different now to succeed in the next 2 years and then in your corporate life. Understood? Because end of the day, what is our objective? Our objective is to get a job.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, from the campus,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
and get a job which pays us well.
Yes, sir.
करेक्ट. तो अभी ऐसा तो है नहीं कि भी कॉर्पोरेट आएगा थाली में 5 नौकरियां लेके कि भाई कोई भी उठा लो.
No, sir.
ऐसा तो नहीं होगा ना.
No.
You will have to compete for that job.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो compete करने के लिए आपको अपने अंदर क्या डेवलप करना है, वो चीजें हम अभी डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. समझ आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
और मैं अलग अलग चीजों का एग्जाम्पल देके अलग अलग एक्टिविटी करके आपको वो बार बार एक ही चीज समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं कि हाउ दिस एजुकेशन इज गोइंग टू बी डिफरेंट देन व्हाट यू हैव स्टडीड नाउ टिल नाउ. करेक्ट?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Any questions till now?
No, sir.
Any questions till now? किसी को कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछना है?
No, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me understand. Let me make you एक चीज और बात करते हैं फिर. So we go forward now. Okay. So what is another thing that you need to understand in terms of, you see, I'll tell you how this market dynamic works. जब आप अभी आपके पास जो आपकी क्लासेस चल रही हैं प्री इंडक्शन, वो अलग अलग टीचर्स ले रहे हैं.
Haven't
It is the
attended
first
any
class,
of the classes.
So
For me, it's the first classes.
so probably there will be different teachers taking different classes. Okay,
Yes, sir.
pre-induction mein, right? And those are the teachers who are going to now probably interact with you once you come into the campus also.
Yes, sir, sure.
Correct. So the way you talk to these teachers now, the way you interact with these teachers now, the way you interact and approach this program now, as a corporate, when I come and I talk to your teachers, informally, I will also ask them, okay, tell me, ma'am, the batch which is passing out now, tell me who are the good students, who are intelligent students, or I'll probably put a criteria, who are the students who would suffice this criteria. So now if you are in good books of your teachers, you are in good interaction with your teachers and they like you, you are on top of their mind.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So they will immediately say, oh, Kunal is there, good student. Oh, Shipra is there, good student. Oh, there is Sushmita, or there is Ankit. They're good students. So because you have been interacting with them, तो आप लोगों का सबसे बड़ा पहला चीज जो आपने अब स्टार्ट करना है is to remove your hesitation. ठीक है? Because इस एजुकेशन में जो आपको एक्सपोजर मिलने वाला है, वेदर इन योर प्रेजेंटेशंस, वेदर इन योर इंटरेक्शन, वेदर टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस, आप लोगों को सबसे पहली चीज जो आपके अंदर रिमूव करनी है अपने अंदर, वो डर रिमूव करना है, हेजिटेशन का डर. जिस दिन आपने वो रिमूव कर दिया हेजिटेशन का डर, आपने आधी जंग जीत ली. बिकॉज जब आपने हेजिटेशन का डर रिमूव कर लिया, देन यू आर asking questions, then you are confidently asking questions. Doesn't matter if it is wrong, because if it is wrong, the teacher will correct you automatically, so you will know the right answer. Correct?
Yes, sir.
But if you don't ask questions, don't interact, obviously the teacher would not know what is in your mind. What do you want to do? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes,
or
sir.
not?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. We
Yes,
got it.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Got it now?
We got it. Yes, sir.
Correct. So this is something that you need to understand in terms of how to be in, how to develop all these and how to interact with your teachers. Because all, you see, मैं जो आपको बता रहा हूँ ना सारी चीजें, right? Like your growth in your career, your growth in your corporate world, your growth in any organization that you work in, or your growth in business is all related to how you conduct yourself. Knowledge तो सबके पास है. आज की डेट में गूगल करो, यूट्यूब करो, नॉलेज आ जाती है. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
But the major difference is going to be how you interact with people. And if that is something that you can develop, then you will be able to create that difference for yourself. Understood? तो एक आपको दूसरी तरह से समझाता हूं. आपने चैलेंजेस बोला, आपने स्ट्रगल बोला, आपने हार्डवर्क बोला. टी बैग्स मालूम है? टी बैग्स,
Yes, sir.
टी बैग्स क्या होते हैं?
Tea filled in bags.
Correct. So that is a dip kind of a thing, which you dip it into a water, boiling water, and then
Yes,
there
sir.
are tea granules inside that bag. They mix with the water, and then you get tea.
And then we get the flavor.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Right. So now visualize in your mind 3-4 types of different tea bags. Can you visualize in your mind different types of 3-4 tea bags?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can you name me some? One is Tata tea, normal tea bag. जो
Green
पैकेट
tea,
से आप निकालो तो
Lipton.
सिर्फ टी बैग निकलता है. Correct.
Green tea.
Second is a little premium. जो tea bag is inside a plastic good sachet. You'll have to tear the sachet and take the tea bag out.
Yes, sir.
Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कभी कैफे कॉफी डे गए हो? कैफे कॉफी डे,
Yes, sir.
कैफे कॉफी डे में कभी असम चाय पिए और एनी टी? So they give you a separate tea bag, no, with the water, hot water.
Yes, sir.
Oh, no, sir.
Yes, and you tear that tea bag and put that bag now inside the hot water.
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And then
Yes,
there
sir.
is a normal रेडी वाली चाय, जहां पे वो चाय नहीं बना रहा, उसके पास टी बैग है. वो नॉर्मल, वो टाटा टेटली वाला टी बैग नहीं देता, वो कैफे कॉफी डे वाला, लेकिन वो नॉर्मल टी बैग देता आपको.
Yes, sir. In trains.
In trains, correct? Understood? So now, what is the learning that you can have from these tea bags? अगर पानी ठंडा हो तो टी बैग मिक्स करेगा?
No, sir. The quality.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right? And if it is, let's say a tea bag is dressed up very properly in terms of the packet that you get in cafe coffee day, you tear the packet, that's a very attractive packet. Then you tear that, you take the tea bag out. But अंदर अगर उसके granules ठीक नहीं है, खराब है, तो वो काम करेगा? टी क्वालिटी टेस्ट आएगा आपको?
No, sir. No, sir.
Right? What does this mean? This means that you have to be like a tea bag who is always willing to come in contact with boiling water.
Yes, sir.
If you do not come in contact with the boiling water is your challenge here. So these 2 years is your boiling water. If you do not come in contact with this boiling water, then you are gone. Then your quality will not come out. Your granules quality is important, whether the tea bag is branded or so. अगर आपने अरमानी के कपड़े पहने हैं, अगर आपने branded clothes पहने हैं, that will not help if your mindset attitude is not good.
Right, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have you understood what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Totally, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So you need to. So these 2 years you need to develop that attitude, which I will discuss in my next session. Understood what attitudes? कैसे क्या example? But have you understood the crux of it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great. Now, any questions anyone has to ask? You ask me questions. Ask me any question related to your career, related to your 2 years, related to your MBA, PGDM. Any question you can ask me.
Yes, sir.
Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
A single person is having all these qualities. Like when we enter in the competition, like we are giving interviews to the corporate world, everyone is having this all the 10 expectation the corporate world wants. So how will we differentiate ourselves from those similar people?
Correct. Very nice. This is Snehata, right? Great.
Yes, sir.
Good question that you have asked. You always understand that to differentiate yourself, so when you come into the second year and we talk about interviews, that I'll explain you in a greater length. But right now, what you need to understand is that way these 10 qualities is what I have discussed right now with you people, which you need to develop. But these will be developed in different people in different manner, and is going to be projected in different manner. It's not going to be standardized the way your qualification is standardized. So let's say, for example, right now the 60 people in this group, you are going to have the same qualification, correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Now, when you're going to have the same qualification, you're going to study the same subjects. You are going to develop the same skills probably. Okay. But the way you apply those skills and the way so these are soft skills. So these soft skills, you need to project it in the manner that you've learned. So let's say, for example, 5 of you have projected it in the same manner. Let's say, for example. Okay. And when you have projected these in the same manner, with the same qualification, with the same ability and skill. So the one person he's going to pick up, the interviewer, is that person whom he or she likes the best. Understood?
Yes, sir.
समझ आ गई? Have I answered your question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right? Any other question?
From my side,
Good afternoon, sir.
Pratibha.
Anybody who has to ask a question should first give
Yes,
his
sir.
name, her name, and then I'll ask.
Hi, it's Pratibha here. Am I audible?
Yeah, Pratibha, and can I ask others to please mute yourself? And Mr. Jaswal, can you please lock your video? Yeah, Pratibha.
So basically, I have enrolled in MBA in HR, but I sometimes find that rather than HR, I am good in presentation skills or maybe speaking skills. So
Okay.
are these interviews are just confined to the to the place like to the HR domain, or we can just if 2 years down the line we feel like we are good in some other thing which is still in corporate world, but some other post maybe. So how will that work?
So if I have understood your question properly, is that you are saying that right now you are interested in HR, and going forward, if you want to change your line, is it possible?
Change as in like if I develop that I am good in speaking skills and which is like just a small part in HR, but
Yeah.
it is more in training or something else. So
Okay.
that
So one, you understand training is also part of HR. Okay.
Okay.
And second is you choose your specializations at the end of your first year.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So first year when you end right now in May, and then your classes would start. So your this first year, you get exposed to all the concepts, whether it is HR, whether it is marketing, whether it is finance. And then within this 1 year, then you can understand where your interests lie, and then secondly choose to do your internship and specialization in that area of interest.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks.
All right. Anybody else?
Hello, sir. Zubair
Yeah,
this side.
Zubair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't have any question, but I have one suggestion for everyone who is in this group. There is one soft skill course offered by TCS Ion. It is free of cost. You all can go and complete that course. After that, you will get a certificate of soft skills, which has good value, as it is offered by TCS Ion. So you guys can go and complete
Great,
that
Zubair.
certificate.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So that's good information, right? All right. Can you mute yourself now, Zubair?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, what is the work for you now? Now we're going to meet next week. Okay. So now the work that I have for you people is that before we meet next week, you are going to write one page. Okay. Now, what is that one page going to include? That one page is going to include one aspect. First aspect is, why are you pursuing this course and what are your expectations from this course? Okay. Clear. And second part is, now that we are in lockdown, correct? We are all in lockdown right now.
Yes.
And we've been in lockdown since March. Yes, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So how do you spend your day during lockdown? Right from waking up to the night, till the night that you hit the bed, how do you spend your day? So has everybody understood the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So,
Any doubts in
Yes, sir.
the mind of anyone? Any doubts in the mind of anyone?
sir, spending your days include changes we are going to adapt, or normal schedule we are following?
Right now, the schedule that you are following, that is how you spend your day.